to my class in GST. In this session, we will learn about casual taxable persons and non-resident taxable persons. We will start with casual taxable persons. Casual taxable persons are those who are engaged in the supply of taxable goods or services or both in a state or union territory where they do not have a permanent place of business. Their business must be seasonal, occasional, or even one-off. Two distinct characteristics of casual taxable persons are: A. They must supply taxable goods, services, or both. B. Will not have a permanent place of business in the state or union territory where they do their business. This is very important. If they have got a permanent place of business, they should get a permanent GST IN. I will cite two examples to make the idea very clear to you. Examples. 1. A Tamil Nadu based trader selling umbrellas in Kerala just before the start of the monsoon season. This will be a seasonal sale. 2. A Bangalore based IT firm providing temporary IT services to a company in Calcutta. This provision will be a one-off affair. The conditions governing casual trades are: 1. It is mandatory for casual taxable persons to register themselves with the GST authorities. The minimum limit of 40 lakhs for goods and 20 lakhs for services is not applicable to them. Even if their turnover is less than 40 or 20, as the case may be, they will need to register. Condition number 2. Casual taxable persons cannot opt for the composition scheme. 3. They must deposit in advance the tax amount based on the estimated value of their supply. If there is any excess payment of tax, it will be refunded. On the contrary, if there is any shortfall, it must be paid. The registration will be for a period of 90 days initially. This period can be extended on request. However, the supplier making such a request will have to pay the additional tax on the revenue to be generated from the sale during the extended period. Non-resident taxable persons. They are those who do not have a permanent place of business in India but make occasional supplies of goods or services or both, either directly or through their agents. These two characteristics are important. 1. They do not have a permanent place of business in India. As you already know, a non-resident is not a resident of India. Then they make only casual supplies, occasional supplies. The rules governing non-resident taxable persons are the same as those applicable to casual taxable persons. The only difference is that the non-resident taxable persons must obtain GST registration before they make the supply and pay the tax on the estimated value of supplies in advance. With this, I will end my session. Thank you.